Guys, I'm going to show how to fix this small issue. For that, you need to go to your task manager and search MySQL, then end task all the MySQL tasks. Now you can start your MySQL. So you can see it is working. If not, you can follow these steps. First of all, you need to go to XAMPP installation folder and go to MySQL. Then copy data file and paste it. Then you need to rename it as data old. After that, you need to go to data folder and select phpmyadmin test, performance schema and MySQL folders and delete them. You need to delete all the files other than ibdata1. Go back and go to backup folder, then copy all the files other than ibdata1. Paste folders and files to data folder. Then restart our MySQL. You can see it's working now.